Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings of peace. This is Farina Siddique with Islam Talk. Have you actually found your purpose? Have you started thinking or even pondering, considering what is your purpose on this earth? Did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala just dropped you here to live like a plant with no vision, with no purpose, with no goal? No, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the sovereign, the creator, has sent you here with a purpose, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala rightfully claims that He has never created anything without a purpose. So you need to find that purpose. We are created for a purpose. We are created with the vision, with the goal, with the wisdom of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's just a matter of us finding that purpose. Have you started finding your purpose? If you have not started finding your purpose, so this Ramadan, do just that. Try finding your purpose on this earth. Try and understand, why did this creator, this sovereign creator of all universes, have sent me here? He did not send me here to live like a plant with no vision, no goal, no destination, no destiny, right? He has created a destiny for you. Have you been looking for that? Have you been searching for that? Have you been pondering? And this is exactly why you reading, reciting the word of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the word of God, is very important. Allah sent 4 books on this earth, right? On all 4 prophets. And that the completion, the compilation, the final book was the Quran. So if you have not read the Quran yet, read the Quran. Regardless of how hard it is, regardless of how so much you don't want to do this, read the Quran and find your purpose. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created you with a purpose, and He said, I have not created anything without a purpose. It's just a matter of us finding that purpose. And this Ramadan, please make this your goal. Look at the word of Allah. Try to understand your word of Allah. Try to actually ponder upon it, because Quran consistently invites you to think, invites you to ponder. The Quran doesn't want us to be the zombies, like, headless chickens running around, not thinking, not accepting anything rationally. So rational thinking, pondering, accepting, and full-heartedly acceptance of Islam is the purpose here, right? So try finding that purpose, so you don't live like a plant. A plant, you sow the seed, the plant grows up, it blooms into a tree, and then it actually gives out fruits and it dies. This is not the purpose of human beings on this earth. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created the first human being, Prophet Adam alayhi salam, He created him and He said, I am sending my Khalifa, right? My assistant to this earth. And this is how we were sent to this earth, right? And against all odds, against all the shaitan, all the whispers of shaitan and everything, we are sent here for a right purpose, to actually obey Allah, to submit to Allah, and to actually establish His commands, His deen, His way of life in this dunya, on this earth. That's our purpose. Find that your purpose individually. Find your own purpose. What is my role in this grand scheme of Allah's affairs in this universe? And when you find it, the life will be easier. The path will be easier. And this life on this earth, which is the transitional life, this temporary life, will be much more easier, and you will make sense of each and everything in your life. All the tests, all the sickness, all the issues, and all the beautiful, successful moments in your life will make sense all over. Keep me in your duas, and keep sending me the topic ideas that you want to hear about. And if you find something important, appealing in this video, share it. I will post it again after finishing this live. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Greetings of peace.